everyone, this is Ali, your sales executive here at Mitsubishi Pitt Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Manila. And for today's video guys, I want to share with you kung kailan nga ba talaga lalabas ang ating 2026 year model na Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Marami po kasi nagtatanong kung kailan kaya lalabas ang ating 2026 year model. This year kaya? Next year. So pag-usapan natin yan. But before that guys, tara samahan nyo muna kung ikutan saglit ang ating Montero Sport GLS Automatic 2025 year model. I-discuss ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung mga promo at freebies kapag nag-avail kayo sa akin through in-house financing. And guys, i-discuss ko rin sa inyo yung kanyang cash discounts if nagka-plan naman po kayong bumili into cash. So guys, tara samahan nyo na akong saglit ikutan ng ating 2025 Montero Sport GLS Automatic. Let's start. So start tayo sa kanang engine bay ang ating Montero Sport ay mayroong 2.4 liter 4-cylinder 4N15 turbocharged diesel engine with an 179 horsepower and 430 Newton meter of torque paired by an 8-speed automatic transmission. So it helps and it has a mild technology guys, meaning guys, mas matipid to sa gas and power efficient din siya. And guys, sa kanya namang front wheel, as you can see, black and chrome yung kanyang kulay with illuminating lights din yan guys. Paired sa ating front fascia, which is the signature look ng ating Mitsubishi na nagbibigay ng proper aerodynamics and mas nagbibigay ng airflow sa loob ng engine to prevent the engine stress. Ayan. Sa ating namang headlights, yan, ang ating automatic transmission ng Montero ay mayroong LED na reflector na headlights with daytime running lights na fog light. Ayan. And sa kanya namang front diffuser, as you can see guys, sobrang ganda tignan. Yan. Naka-silver chrome ang kanyang kulay. Ayan. So, mas naging bolder yung look niya na kayang-kaya talaga makipagsabayan ng ating Montero, especially talaga sa road. Ayan. Sobrang astig and at the same time, mas masculine tingnan ang ating exterior. And sa ating namang wheels, it has a 18-inch na alloy wheel. So, pwede natin siyang palitan guys ng two-tone mags or black series mags once na nag-avail ka sa atin through in-house financing. Ayan. And sa kanya namang side mirror, as you can see, is naka-chrome to, ayan, with integrated turn signal lights and equipped na rin siya ng multi-around monitor o mas kilala natin bilang 360 camera. Ayan. And guys, sa kanya namang door handle, naka-chrome pa rin naman siya and equipped to ng keyless operating system. Ibig sabihin, guys, is malalock and unlock niyo na yung kanyang, malalock and unlock niyo na yung unit na to without using your key. So, mas nagbibigay ito ng better convenience, especially kapag marami tayong bit-beta pasok ng ating sasakyan. And when it comes sa kanyang tail lamp, T-shaped tail lamp, yan, naka-LED na rin siya guys. Ayan, mas nagbibigay ito ng better visibility, especially during heavy rains, ayan, or even at night, ayan. Iba kasi talaga yung buga ng ilaw kapag talaga LED yung bulb, ayan. Siyempre, equipped na rin siya ng reverse camera. And sa kanyang rear diffuser sa likod, same sa front diffuser na sobrang bolder din tignan and silver din yung kulay with 4 parking sensors na rin yan guys. Ayan. So, exterior pa lang, sobrang ganda na at yung mga features talaga, hindi talaga tinipid si Montero. Siyempre, additional sa ating fin type antenna na nagbibigay din ng proper aerodynamics and signal reception. Ayan. So, by the way guys, itong unit na to, pwede natin siyang i-upgrade into Black Series look. So, if you want, ating option to freebies natin is i-upgrade natin into Black Series looks. Bale, iba-black natin to. Ba-black natin yan. Even yung roof nito is, as you can see, is naka-white. Gagawin natin black roof yan. Yan. Yung mags, gagawin natin black. Even yung mga door handle, yan. Black yan. Yung sa side mirror, gagawin natin black. And dito sa front grille, guys, if pag-aabil kayo ng Black Series looks, ito rin, gagawin natin black yan. And additional, kung gusto nyo may garnish yung bawat ilaw, pwede natin yung lagyan. So, ayun guys. So, i-check naman natin yung interior ng ating Montero. Tara! Bear with me guys kasi sobrang dilim din dito sa stockyard namin. So, driver side, ayan ang power window adjustment and central door lock. And may air vents sa ating driver side. So, ito ang controls sa ating side mirrors. And equipped na rin po ito ng push start button guys, parking sonar, and active stability control. So these safety features guys is magagamit nyo to prevent oversteering or understeering sa road. Ayan. So mas protektado kayo kapag mag-iikot kayo. So magiging tawag dito, magiging kalmado lang yung pagliko nyo o pagliko ng ating unit because meron tayong active stability control. Ayan. So sa atin namang seat material, ayan. Ito ay naka-leather seat material. So, mas malinis tignan yung upuan natin at the same time, mas masarap siyang upuan. And meron tong power adjustments sa ating upuan. And sa atin namang steering wheel, naka 3-spoke na leather wrap siya. And sa atin dito ay meron tayong multimedia control with sa left side at sa kanan naman makikita natin yung ating cruise control. Ayan. With voice command and hands-free button. Ayan. And guys, with paddle shifter na rin yan. Ayan na. And guys, by the way, yung ating steering wheel is nati-tilt and telescopic din siya. Ayan. And when it comes sa ating info system, it has a 8-inch na Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ayan. And when it comes naman sa kanyang aircon system, ito po ay naka-dual zone climate control. Ibig sabihin guys, pwede nyo iset tong temperature with a different temperature. Let's say for example, si driver side mas gusto yung malamig, sa front passenger gusto ng medyo hindi naman malamig, yon. Mas naiiba nila both side yung temperature. Depende sa gusto nila. Ayan. And of course, may mga charging ports tayo dito with 12 volts na power outlet. Ayan. And of course, 8-speed na automatic transmission we have here. And we also have this electronic parking brake and brake auto hold, ayan, with 2 cups holder at meron din po tayong armrest with center console box. So, check naman natin. Ay, by the way, meron din po tayo itong glove box, guys. Ayan. So, madilim lang talaga sa loob. So, medyo hindi siya makita. And, ayan. Ito yung itsura ng ating driver area. So, check natin yung ating second row. When it comes sa ating second row, comfort-wise pa rin naman tayo guys. Naka-leather seat material pa rin naman ang second row for extra comfortability ng ating mga second row passengers. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating armrest with 2 cups holder, ayan, for better convenience para sa ating mga second row passengers. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating mga charging ports and 150 watts outlet para hindi na tayo makicharge sa driver area. Third row, comfort-wise dahil mga naka-recline naman yung mga upuan natin so magiging komportable pa rin tayo sa pagbiyahe. And mga aircon vents, both sides and handle, ayan. And there you have it guys, tapos na po nating maikutan ng ating 2025 Montero Sport na GLS Automatic. And when it comes naman sa kanyang discounts at promo sa ating GLS Automatic variant, ito po ay naka 79,000 all-in down payment plus may free 1 month na amortization ka pa. At pagdating naman po sa ating GLX na manual transmission, naka 0 down payment pa rin po tayo dito guys in all banks. And guys, when it comes sa kanyang cash discounts sa ating automatic transmission, meron po tayong 125,000 na cash discount. At pagdating naman sa ating manual transmission, meron tong 275,000 cash discount. So, to answer the question kung kailan nga ba lalabas ang ating 2026 year model na Montero Sport, the answer is we don't have any idea kung kailan talaga lalabas ang ating 2026 Montero. Hindi po this year, at syempre baka hindi rin po by next year dahil wala pa pong na-discuss sa amin or nasasabi sa amin kung kailan maglalabas ang Mitsubishi Motors ng ating 2026 model na Montero. So ayun guys, if nagpa-plan po kayong intayin yung ating 2026 year model with updated features and specs and exterior, wala pa po talaga. So, wala pa mong update sa amin kung kailan maglalabas si Mitsubishi Motors ng ating 2026 year model. So, ngayon na hanggat maganda yung promo at yung discounts ng ating 2025 Montero, i-grab nyo na po yung opportunity guys dahil minsan lang po tayo magbaba ng ganto talaga kababa na down payment plus yung promo pa na may free 1 month, di ba? For 60 months, magiging 59 months na lang yung babayaran nyo. So, ayun guys, and if you want to process the application guys, pwede nyo pong isend sa akin through online. If busy kayo, pwede po natin yan i-process via online. Pwede nyo isend sa akin yan sa aking Viber, Facebook Messenger, at WhatsApp. Ayan, kung ikaw ay OFW, seaman, virtual assistant, BPO employee, or government employee, pwede kang makakuha ng pangarap mong Mitsubishi unit. So, ayun guys. By the way, this is Ali, your sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Manila. And guys, please subscribe sa aking YouTube channel para updated ka sa mga car contents at mga updated promos natin monthly. So, ayun guys. And I hope to see you here. Ingat! Follow for more. Bye!
Note: monthly amortization, promos, and down payment is subject to change based on different bank rates and approval. Thank you.